Donovan Mitchell, one of the most exciting and dynamic point guards in the NBA. Let me introduce his line of signature shoes. This is the Adidas Don Issue 5 basketball shoes. Who doesn't love a brand new shoe unboxing? Oh wow, it comes with a sleeve there. This is a high quality box. Spider Mitchell logo. It even has a signature on the inside the box. Double layer wrapping paper? I thought Christmas is over, but apparently it's not, because I feel like I'm receiving another Christmas present in the form of this awesome brand new shoes. From the moment he first stepped onto the hardwood, Donovan Mitchell has been a game changer, and that's continued even as his game has grown and evolved. These Don Issue 5 signature shoes from Adidas Basketball continue to build on Spider's on-court persona as well as his off-court social activism. Riding an ultra-lightweight light strike midsole and a unique rubber outsole with an elevated traction pattern, these basketball shoes help you dominate the game just like one of the sport's very best. Now, this is the exciting, kind of reminds me like the Cleveland Cavaliers colorway, featuring the team Maroon 2 and Desert Sand and black colorway. I really like this colorway. There are some other funky ones that I wasn't too fond of, but this one is, this is the first time I've ever seen it. I don't think anybody's wearing it, so this makes it even more exclusive. All right, so the first thing I noticed when I saw these when they first dropped was because of the big old bug guy. Reminds me like a UFO, and I think that's what they're going for. Like a Donovan Mitchell is like an alien. He's so good. All right, taking the Cleveland Cavs to the best NBA record right now, and you see that three-stripe life, hard plastic infused into the midsole, aerodynamically fused onto the outsole, featuring the Adidas bounce technology. The tread panel reminds me of the crop circles and these wavy herringbone type. Very nice Donovan Mitchell logo right there. Highly breathable upper with synthetic leather and nylon material. Okay, all throughout. You got the pull tab, and it says right here Spider logo along with Adidas. Adidas basketball, and it says Don Issue 5 right there. And looking at the insole, I do notice that this is like a, look at this offset. This is kind of like a sleeve that offsets to the side where you slip onto your shoe. See that? I think the reverse one has a different opening. Okay, so that's unique. Inspired logo in the inside, and I do notice additional support near the ankles and support the Achilles right here. That's definitely appreciated, prevent injury. And it looks like it's a removable insole right here, and the insole looks like pretty much standard. That's very nice pattern right there, and inside looks like that. This is a US men's size 8. Let's see how much it weighs. 12.98 ounces, less than 1 pound. And let's do the flexibility test. Semi-rigid. Let's see what the bounce sole softness is with this durometer. Let's get a good reading right there, and it looks like 40.5. That's surprisingly soft. Other Adidas basketball shoes that I've tested are upper 40s. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys. When this first dropped, I wasn't digging the design, but because of the colorway, I think that totally makes this shoe. And this isn't my first pair of Donovan Mitchell shoes. I actually have a pair of these Don Issue 2 Spidey Sense. So these are exclusive when they're teamed up with Marvel right there. These Marvel collab. And these ones are very unique. So which you guys like better? I'm super excited to try out these Don Issue 5s. Now, the design isn't for everybody, I have to admit, but it's quite unique though. So you want like a futuristic alien style of shoes, this is the one for you. Getting in and out of the shoe is A little bit takes a little bit getting used to because of the offset sideliner. But once you have it in, oh my goodness, it's so comfortable. So this pretty much fits standard size for standard regular feet. It is so comfortable and soft. I was not expecting that. And you could pretty much use this as an everyday sneaker. You could probably take it to the gym. I mean, obviously you can play basketball in it, but you can probably use this as a cross trainer. Now, the bounce material, the Adidas bounce material is the softest I've ever, of all the basketball shoes I've tested, especially from Adidas, this features the best bounce material of all. Soft and cushiony, very comfortable. Now, together with the colorway, I'm absolutely falling in love with this. Whether you are into practicing basketball or just want to wear it every day, this is the one for you. I'm highly impressed with this. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 just because that the design isn't for everybody. But if you find this colorway, definitely grab it on the spot, especially if you're a Cleveland Cavaliers fan. Donovan Mitchell, one of the most exciting point guards in the NBA.